Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pet morning routine, but you could probably already tell that from the title. I've not done a voiceover in a really long time, so it feels kind of weird, but I'm trying to step up my YouTube game, you know, improve my videos a little bit, so we will see how well that goes. Please note that the dogs and the hamsters aren't really included in this video. You see the dogs a little bit, but the hamsters aren't in this video at all, and that's because all of my hamster jobs get done in the evening because that's when they are more active, and all of like the dog jobs are kind of like just like a family thing. We just kind of do it between us all because they are a family pet, not just my own pets, whereas all of the small animals belong to me. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on about that now and actually talk about what's going on in these clips. So the first thing I do in the morning is normally go and say hi to the dagoos, because the dagoos are extremely interactive and they're always awake and wanting to say hi whenever anyone walks past, so it's impossible not to say hi and give them a morning pea flake, you know? Once I have finished playing with the dagoos, I will sometimes also let them out in the morning just for a little play, but once I've done that I will head outside to do the guinea pig and rabbit jobs. Hello, does anyone care about me? No. Flake. Hello, you do love me. So all of the guinea pigs and rabbits get a morning pea flake. They did all get one, but I'm not sure if I filmed all the guinea pigs getting one. Then once I have finished saying good morning to all of the animals and giving them all their morning pea flake, it is time to start cleaning. Honestly, cleaning is just like a never-ending job for me. It never seems to be done. So when it comes to when I do full cleans and stuff, I have different days when I full clean different guinea pig. On this particular day, nobody needed a full cage clean because it was a Sunday, which is my only free day where I don't have to do any full cleans of anyone, just spot cleans, which is nice. Obviously all of my guinea pigs did get fresh hay, but I didn't film all of them having their hay. I think I only filmed the herd, so yeah, but all the guinea pigs did get fresh hay, and they get fresh hay every single morning. Then I will check on their water. I don't change the guinea pigs' water every day just because I find it unnecessary. I normally do it every other day, but on the days where I don't do it, I just do the ones that need doing. So there are a few here. One of the boys' water bottles actually leaked, so it was a fun time because I didn't screw it on properly, hence why it was empty. But yeah, that was my fault, not the water bottle's fault. Then it is time to do little Peach's array of medication. So Peaches is a very disabled guinea pig. She has a lot of issues, as you can probably see in these clips in a minute. She's extremely underweight. She just can't gain weight. She has recurring respiratory infections, so she's currently on antibiotics. Infocol, which is for her digestive system to help her like poo properly, basically. And she's also on painkillers. As you can see though, she really doesn't enjoy having her medication, so it might seem like I'm being a bit rough with her, but it's the only way to get her to have it. So I promise I'm not an animal abuser. I'm just trying to make her better. And once I finish doing all the guinea pig stuff, I will head over to the rabbit shed, and I do the litter trays most days, but on this day it wasn't that messy, so I just swept up the floor. So yeah, I tend to do the litter tray in the evening rather than the morning, so that's why I didn't get a clean. And then I will give the rabbits some fresh water and some hay as well. And I also put a big pile of hay outside in the summer.
Hello! Are you all hungry, pigs? They feed you now.
Once I have finished all of my outside jobs, I will go and do the veggies for the rabbits and guinea pigs. So the dagoos do get vegetables about twice a week, but only a very small amount, but they didn't get any on the day that I filmed this, so in case you're wondering, that's why I didn't get any vegetables. So the rabbits don't actually get very many vegetables anymore. This is all they get for the 4 of them in a day. I know it probably doesn't seem like a lot, but this is all they will eat. If I give them any more, they'll just leave it. And it was getting to the point where I was just wasting so much food. So, I mean, as you can see, like, the only one who's actually fussed about eating is Pip. The others are all like, I have no idea where the others all are. They're in here somewhere. So, yeah, that's why the rabbits don't have very many vegetables, because they just don't eat it. They prefer eating their hay, which, to be honest, I'd rather they eat their hay anyway. So yeah. Final thing I do in the morning is I check the Dagoos' water and feed them. And they just have their dry food. They get roughly a tablespoon each. I try not to overfeed them just because they don't eat very much hay, and obviously that is very important for Dagoos. So yeah, I mean, look at them, they're such little cadgers. They're just like, feed us, feed us, feed us. Hannah actually starves us, you know, we never actually get any food at all. She's just doing this for the views, you know. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And me and my animal friends will see you in our next video. Bye!